Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Happy Sunday. Doing a little video test with the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, holding it in my hand, 1080p 60 frames per second. Let me know how everything looks. Pretty flowers here. Some great colors in the dark. Not walking too hard, just walking normal here. Shooting this video 1080p 60 frames per second. Let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds. It's quiet out here, man. It's wet out here, but it's not raining right now. It's about 40 degrees. Let's look in the window. Windows are dirty. Really dark right here. Hardly anybody on the streets. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Quick video sample. Just walking, holding my device in hand. The S9 Plus, 1080p 60 frames per second. Till my next video, this is my Project 13. Leave some feedback down below. God bless. I'm out.